Let's make these Greek chicken balls. Very high in protein and so flavorful. I'm going to add in 2 pounds of chicken breasts that are cubed, and I'm going to add in 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, 1/3 of a cup of Greek yogurt, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and of course 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 8 cloves of garlic. We're just going to press them in, and of course 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, some salt, some black pepper, and here you want to combine all the ingredients to make sure that the marinade is covering our chicken. And I'm going to cover it and leave it for at least 20 minutes, but up to 12 hours in total. The longer, the more flavorful the chicken breasts will be. While the chicken is being marinated, I'm going to combine all my salad ingredients. So we want to add 2 English cucumbers that are cubed into a bowl with 1 pound of cherry tomatoes that are halved. Then of course 1 red onion that's beautifully sliced. And we're going to squeeze in half a lemon juice to get that fresh juice in. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and of course some garlic again, 2 cloves in total. Just press them in, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and I'm going to combine all those ingredients to make really delicious Mediterranean salad that we will enjoy in this meal prep. Now in a separate bowl I'm going to make tzatziki sauce. Yes, half a cup of Greek yogurt with half an English cucumber diced. We're going to add in 2 cloves of minced garlic again, 1 tablespoon of fresh dill that's nicely chopped, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, approximately that, then 1 teaspoon of fresh mint chopped, and I'm going to add salt and black pepper to taste. So we combine all the ingredients to make our beautiful tzatziki sauce that we're going to put away and use later. Now I'm going to drain my chicken from the marinade as well as I can, and I'm going to add it to my heat up skillet with some olive oil. I'm going to be cooking these chicken cubes for around 7 to 9 minutes. Throughout the cooking I'm going to be trying to remove as much of the liquids as I can, because the chicken will simply taste better without all of that. So do it while you're cooking it, so it's quite an active time for you. Once that's done, we're going to get our 4 containers, and I'm going to add in cooked rice into it. I'm using about 2 cups of basmati rice in total. Then adding in the salad we've just made, of course the chicken, and we're going to cover it all with tzatziki sauce. This is it. This is Greek chicken balls that are so flavorful, herby, delicious, high in protein, in fiber. They're just so good, so yummy. I highly recommend. Enjoy.